Choosing a good mesothelioma lawyer is imperative to ensuring that you will be awarded the highest amount of compensation for your case. Attorneys who specialize in asbestos litigation have experience with and knowledge about the complex issues, medical considerations, and history surrounding asbestos legislation, case law, and the applicable procedural rules and formalities of each and every case they handle. Qualities of a great mesothelioma lawyer: when seeking out an attorney who can help you receive compensation for your asbestos-related injury, there are several qualities you should look for. A great mesothelioma lawyer is compassionate, understanding, and sensitive to what you and your family are going through. They will take the time to understand your situation, listen to the concerns you have, and comprehend the problems and complications you are facing. If your attorney is not willing to sit down and understand how asbestos exposure has affected your life, then find one who will. The best mesothelioma attorneys focus exclusively on asbestos litigation. In doing so, they develop expertise with all matters of asbestos law. Having a solid grasp of both federal and state asbestos laws, they will be able to advise you properly about the best venue in which to file your complaint, and they can provide you with a realistic estimate of how much you might be eligible to receive for a settlement. Putting together a mesothelioma lawsuit takes time and a lot of hard work. Only the best lawyers will have the proper resources to pull together the required information, documentation, testimony, affidavits, complaints, and other materials necessary to build a solid case for you. Having the right resources available ensures that your case will be handled efficiently and will help you to receive compensation quickly. Only highly experienced mesothelioma lawyers win the largest settlements for their clients. Look for an attorney who has a documented, proven track record with handling asbestos-related cases when seeking compensation for your injury. Great mesothelioma attorneys are recognized by their peers and national organizations like Martindale-Hubbell for their excellence in going above and beyond to fight for their clients' legal rights. Settle for nothing less than a lawyer you can trust, a lawyer who can deliver results, and a lawyer who is recognized by industry leaders and peers. Finding a mesothelioma law firm. Finding a reputable mesothelioma law firm with attorneys who are understanding and compassionate, and at the same time willing to fight hard on your behalf, is essential to making sure you receive the highest level of compensation for your injury. What to look for in a mesothelioma law firm: experience. You can trust specialty in mesothelioma litigation, dedicated legal teams, individualized attention when choosing the right mesothelioma law firm to work with. It is important to assess several factors, including the firm's past track record for reaching settlements, as well as their knowledge of asbestos law, and mesothelioma treatment options. A good mesothelioma lawyer has the right combination of drive, dedication, and determination to fight hard on your behalf for the highest settlements possible, along with strong compassion and understanding for what you and your family are going through as you work through the process together. The cost for a mesothelioma attorney. Some people may shy away from the idea of a lawsuit, believing that it will be costly. When diagnosed with a deadly disease like mesothelioma, the prospect of paying for a lawyer on top of medical treatments and other expenses can seem overwhelming. With asbestos-related personal injury and wrongful death claims, attorneys generally work on a contingency basis, which means that mesothelioma victims and their families will not have to pay anything up front and are only responsible for legal fees if their lawyer is able to help them receive compensation. If an asbestos lawyer requires that you pay up front for his/her services, you should turn him/her down immediately and seek out a reputable law firm that will never make you pay before helping you receive a settlement or jury award. Financial assistance for mesothelioma victims. Request free information about financial assistance that may be available for those diagnosed with mesothelioma. Learn more about the following mesothelioma trust funds. $32 billion already set aside compensation for veterans. It's easy to see if you qualify. How a mesothelioma lawyer can help you. Having a good lawyer with experience in asbestos Asbestos Law can help you in a number of ways. Lawsuit: if your asbestos exposure occurred on the job or due to a product that contained asbestos in your home, it may be possible to sue the company responsible for the exposure. A lawyer experienced in mesothelioma cases can explain the situations where a lawsuit